Ever dreamt of starting a business that literally takes off? By 2026, drone delivery won't just be a futuristic concept. It'll be a multi-billion-dollar industry transforming how we move goods. So, the big question is, are you ready to seize this opportunity and build your own Drone Delivery LLC, navigating the regulations to soar to success? Let's dive into everything you need to know, from FAA rules and LLC setup to technology, marketing, and scaling your drone delivery empire. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a professional formation service that includes LLC filing, registered agent services, and business formation. They offer excellent privacy protection and customer service from agents around the United States at a reasonable cost. Northwest Registered Agent offers a service in which they can file your LLC for you without any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Now, let's continue the video. Sky-high startups. Is drone delivery your next business? The drone delivery market is exploding. According to industry reports, the global drone delivery sector is projected to exceed $50 billion by 2030, with 2026 being the year where regulation finally meets opportunity. We're seeing rapid FAA approvals, increased urban test programs, and massive investments from logistics giants like Amazon Prime Air, Wing by Google, and Zipline. But here's the exciting part. You don't need to be Amazon to win in this space. In fact, some of the most promising opportunities lie in niche markets. Medical deliveries for clinics and pharmacies in rural areas. Food delivery for local restaurants. E-commerce logistics for small retailers. Real estate, agriculture, and surveying, all leveraging drones for efficiency. Even towns and private communities are testing their own local drone courier services. This means there's room for innovative entrepreneurs like you, especially if you move fast in 2026. Navigating the airspace. Key regulations you need to know. Before your fleet takes flight, you need to understand the rules of the sky. In the US, drone delivery is regulated primarily under FAA Part 135 for package delivery and Part 107 for small commercial drone operations. Here's what you need to know. Part 107 covers basic commercial drone usage, but it restricts flights over people, at night, or beyond visual line of sight, BVLS. To run a drone delivery service, you'll need a Part 135 certification, the same standard used for air carriers. This involves safety manuals, pilot certification, and compliance systems. Now, local and state rules can also impact you, like zoning restrictions, noise ordinances, and privacy laws. Make sure to check with your city's aviation or business department before launching. You can also apply for FAA waivers or exemptions to expand your operations, for instance, to fly beyond visual line of sight or overpopulated areas. This is where doing your homework really pays off. Blueprint for your LLC, setting up your drone delivery business. Now, let's ground your idea in a solid business foundation. Forming an LLC, limited liability company, is the smartest legal structure for drone delivery ventures. It protects your personal assets from business liabilities and also makes it easier to attract investors, sign contracts, and ensure your operations. Here's a quick roadmap to get started. Choose your business name and file your LLC with your state's Secretary of State. Get an EIN from the IRS. This is your business tax ID. Apply for business licenses, especially local commercial or aviation permits. Set up a business bank account to separate personal and operational finances. If you're ready to form your drone delivery LLC the right way, I highly recommend Northwest Registered Agent to simplify your LLC registration. They specialize in helping entrepreneurs start and maintain LLCs with complete privacy, fast filing, and lifetime customer support. What I love is they don't just file your paperwork, they actually protect your business address and keep your information off public records. They handle everything from forming your LLC to maintaining it properly year after year. So if you want to form your drone delivery LLC quickly and securely, check the link in the description below to get started with Northwest Registered Agent today. Finally, don't skip insurance. You'll need liability insurance, hull coverage, and operational coverage to protect your drones, clients, and business assets. Drone delivery tech. What's powering the future? the heart of your drone delivery business lies in the tech. Modern delivery drones are now capable of flying up to 20 miles per charge, carrying 5 to 10 pounds of payload, and using autonomous route navigation systems. Behind the scenes, software is where the magic happens, from fleet management platforms that track drone status to AI-powered route optimization tools that minimize energy use and delivery time. Companies are also adopting charging pad networks and battery swapping tech to extend drone range and uptime. As battery density improves in 2026, we're moving closer to fully autonomous, long-range drone operations. Launching your fleet, marketing, operations, and growth strategies. Once you're cleared for takeoff, it's time to get your first customers. Start small, focus on a specific underserved market. Maybe it's local pharmacies needing fast delivery, or restaurants offering 10-minute drone drops. Craft a clear value proposition. Faster than cars, cheaper than couriers, cleaner for the environment. Operationally prioritize safety protocols. Always have certified pilots and pre-flight checks. Maintenance schedules. Drone downtime kills profit. Training. Ensure your team knows FAA and local procedures. For growth, think partnerships. Collaborate with e-commerce brands, municipalities, or healthcare providers. And don't shy away from investor funding or grants. Drone innovation often attracts government and private support. The future of logistics is in the sky, and by starting your Drone Delivery LLC in 2026, you'll be part of that transformation. So, are you ready to take your business to new heights? If this video helped you understand how to start a Drone Delivery LLC, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more business guides just like this one. And if you're ready to form your LLC today, check the link in the description to get started with Northwest Registered Agent and let your drone business truly take flight.